This is, what is this? That's star fruit. Yep, this is the star fruit tree. As promised, we told you we'd show you the star fruit tree. So this is it. And you can see up there, yeah, they're clusters. That's how they grow. Yeah, there's one there. That's green. Those are young. But these are well ripe. They're well ripe till they fall to the ground. Yeah. So that's the star fruit. Many of us call it jumbling, but they say it's not the same. They say jumbling is different from this. So yeah, this tree is actually blossoming and bearing fruit at the same time. So I don't know if you can see the blossom. See the blossom right up there. Yeah, that's the blossom up there. All right. So yeah, that's the star fruit tree. Yep, and it has many nutritive value. Yes, there's the blossom. There it is, right there. There it is. Closer. Yeah, that's the blossom. All right. It has vitamin C, A and C, and some other minerals. All right. That's star fruit tree.